Dear children, welcome back again to another session of our English time. Last class we have completed paragraph number 6 of Shipwrecked Sailor. Do you remember? And I had asked you to write the answers of 6 questions from question number 1 to 6 in different 2 classes. In the first class, I told you to write question number 1 and 2. Then the remaining questions 3 to 6, I told you to write answers. Hope you have written. Let us look at the answers now. You may please check your answers whether it is right or wrong. And after that, if there is any incomplete answer or incorrect answer, you may please make it correct. Let us look. The first question, it was what happened to the narrator. Who is the narrator? Who is the narrator? The hero. He was the narrator, and what happened to him? Narrator's ship plunged into an abyss. Do you remember? An abyss. ഒരു കടലിലെ ഗർത്തം ചുഴി ഒക്കെയാണ്. And he was in the middle of the ocean. So that was what happened to the narrator. And the second question, what happened? What appeared reassuring to the narrator? That means he got relief, something. ഒരു ചെറിയ ആശ്വാസം തോന്നിയത് എന്തായിരുന്നു? What happened? Other sailors were also in the same predicament. That is the answer. Other sailors also. His friends. Who were his friends? Who are the Velasco? That is the narrator. Then Rengifo, Rengifo, Carabello, Castillo, Herrera. So including 4 friends, there were 5. So he was, that means their friends were also in the same predicament. So it was a reassuring, that means a light relief for him, because all of them were. Then in the second class, question number 3 we discussed. I made it on the 3rd try. What did the narrator do on the 3rd try? What did he do on the 3rd try? 3rd try, he grabbed the rigging of the raft and jumped aboard. He tried 2 times and he failed to grab or to catch the, you know what is rigging? Rigging, that means അതിനൊരു കയറുണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ, കയറാണ്, പായ്മര കയർ അങ്ങനെ എന്നൊക്കെയാണ് പറയുന്നത് മലയാളത്തിൽ. So he caught it and jumped aboard. That means he reached safe on that raft. ചങ്ങാടം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട് പോലത്തെ ഒരു സാധനം. ഇൻ എവറി ഷിപ്പ് ദർ വിൽ ബി ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട്. ഡു യു റിമെമ്പർ ദ സ്റ്റോറി ഓഫ് ടൈറ്റാനിക്? ആക്ച്വലി ടൈറ്റാനിക് വാസ് ദ ലാർജ് ഷിപ്പ് എവർ മെയ്ഡ് ടിൽ ദാറ്റ് ടൈം. അക്കാലം വരെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഷിപ്പായിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ദ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ഓഫ് ദ ടൈറ്റാനിക് ടോൾഡ് ദാറ്റ് ടൈറ്റാനിക് വിൽ നെവർ സിങ്ക് എന്നായിരുന്നു. ഡു യു റിമെമ്പർ ദ സ്റ്റോറി ഓഫ് ഇതൊരു ഫിലിം ആക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. A lot of Oscar awards, ധാരാളം അവാർഡുകളൊക്കെ കിട്ടിയ. ഡു യു റിമെമ്പർ ദാറ്റ് സ്റ്റോറി? ഓക്കെ, Cameron, directed by Cameron. Okay, anyway, in that you may remember the story in cinema, what happened. The first journey itself, the ship was wrecked. മഞ്ഞുമലയിൽ തട്ടി ഒന്നാമത്തെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ജേണി തന്നെ അത് തകർന്നു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. It happened in 1809, I think. It was happened, a lot of people died. Do you remember that? I think it was a story of the film, but in history it was happened. ഒന്നാമത്തെ യാത്രയിൽ തന്നെ തകർന്ന ഒരു കപ്പലിൻ്റെ കഥയാണ് ടൈറ്റാനിക്കിൽ പറയുന്നത്. ആക്ച്വലി ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ റിയൽ സ്റ്റോറി. ഒരു യഥാർത്ഥം നടന്ന ഒരു സംഭവമാണ്. അതിന് ഒരു സിനിമയാക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിന് ചെറിയ വ്യത്യാസങ്ങളൊക്കെ വരുത്തിയിട്ടായിരുന്നു. So that was Titanic. Okay, anyway, so what happened? I am coming to that lifeboat. There will be lifeboat in every ship. Generally അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു നിയമം, ഒരു പോളിസി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ how many travelers are there including the crew? Crew, you know what is CREW crew? Crew means ജോലിക്കാർ. കപ്പലിലെ ജോലിക്കാർക്കും അതിലെ പാസഞ്ചേഴ്സിനും രക്ഷപ്പെടാനുള്ള ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട് നോർമലി ഇൻ എവരി ഷിപ്പ് ഇറ്റ് മസ്റ്റ് ബി കെപ്റ്റ് എന്നാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ജനറലായിട്ടൊരു സിദ്ധാന്തം. ബട്ട് ഇൻ ടൈറ്റാനിക്കിൻ്റെ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ അഹങ്കാരത്തോടെ പറഞ്ഞു ഇറ്റ് വിൽ നെവർ സിങ്ക്. ടൈറ്റാനിക് വിൽ നെവർ സിങ്ക്. ഒരിക്കലും മുങ്ങാത്ത കപ്പൽ എന്ന ഒരു വലിയ ഇതോടുകൂടെയായിരുന്നു ആ കപ്പൽ പുറപ്പെട്ടത്. സോ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ what did they do? They did not keep as much as rafts, as much as life boat. വേണ്ടത്ര ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട് പോലും കരുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. So a lot of people had died. 700 something people were died. I hope, I don't remember the exact number. Anyway, if you refer at Google, you can also see that exact number. Anyway, that is not our topic. In our topic, we are only four friends and our Velasco. So what was third question? I made it the third try. That is the question. So he tried 2 times and failed, and third try he could catch the rope or catch that rigging, and he jumped on board, and he reached or landed safely on that raft. Then I saw 3 of my mates near the raft. Who were the 3 shipmates Velasco saw? So whenever you read the paragraph, you can who were the 3 there? Castillo, Carabello and Luis Rengifo. Okay, that you can very easily. Question number 5. Could Velasco save from save Raman Harara? Can he save him? No, he cannot save him. Why? Velasco could not reach near Harara because the raft was heavy and he had to row against the wind. The wind was blowing against him. So he was in the middle of the ocean and Harara was a little meters away and he had to row near Harara. But what happened? The wind was blowing against him and this raft, ഈ ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ലൈഫ് ബോട്ടല്ല, റാഫ്റ്റ്, ഒരു ചെറിയ റാഫ്റ്റാണ്. ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് വാസ് വെരി ബിഗ്. അത് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് വിചാരിച്ചാൽ തുഴഞ്ഞ് അതെത്താൻ പറ്റാത്ത ഇറ്റ് വാസ്. സോ ഹി കനോട്ട് റീച്ച് ഹെറോറോ. And before reaching near Herero sank into the water. That means died. That was what happened. One more question we discussed in the last class. What was that? What were Castillo and Carabello doing? What was their full name? Eduardo Castillo and Julio Amador Carabello. What were they doing? Castillo was trying to Carabello's neck, clinging, ഇങ്ങനെ കഴുത്ത് പിടിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ കഴുത്ത് തൂക്കി നിർക്കുകയാണ്. ഹു കാസ്റ്റിലോ വാസ് ക്ലിങ്ങിങ് ടു കാരബെല്ലോസ് നെക്ക്. കാരബെല്ലയുടെ കഴുത്തിൽ തൂങ്ങി നിൽക്കുകയാണ് ആര്? കാസ്റ്റിലോ. Carabello was struggling hard to swim towards the raft, and both of them they were trying to swim near the raft. The raft, who was in the raft? Who was in the raft? Velasco was in the raft. Velasco was in the raft. On the raft he was, and he was trying to reach near them, but he could not reach. And they were trying to reach near the raft. So what were they doing? Castillo was clinging to Carabello's neck, and Carabello was struggling to swim, or he was swimming very hardly, stringing hard, not hardly, stringing hard or swimming hard to reach the raft. So these were that is a story. I think you remember now. These are the what happened to Castillo, Carabello, Herero, and others. So let us look what happened to the another passenger was also there, and what happened to them. Let us look. So you may please take page number 48 of your textbook. Page number 48. Open your book and keep the book opened before the TV or before the mobile. Okay. Now let us look. In contrast, Carabello was struggling with Castillo so that Castillo wouldn't let go of his neck. There were less than 3 mates away. I figured that if they got just a little closer, I could hold out an oar for them to grab. In contrast, നേരെ മറിച്ച് Carabello was struggling with Castillo, so he was catching on the neck. So that Castillo wouldn't let go of his neck. So Castillo trying not to let him go. So in that means he was caught at the neck. And they were trying. They were less than 3 meters away. So they were about almost 3 meters away from the raft. I figured that they got just a little. I figured that if they got just a little closer, that means if they come a little more near, I could hold out an oar. There is oar means what is oar? ഈ തുഴയുന്ന സാധനമല്ലേ, ആ തുഴ സാധനം അത് നീട്ടിക്കൊടുക്കാൻ കഴിയും. സോ ഐ ക്യാൻ ഹോൾഡ് ഔട്ട് ഓർ ദം ടു ഗ്രാബ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് വിൽ ഹാപ്പൻ, ദേ ക്യാൻ ക്യാച്ച് ഇറ്റ്, ദേ ക്യാൻ ക്യാച്ച് ഓൺ ഇറ്റ്, ദേ ക്യാൻ ക്യാച്ച് ആൻഡ് ഹി ക്യാൻ സേവ്. ബട്ട് at that moment a gigantic wave, they were almost 3 meters away and he was ready with an oar. ഒരു ഓറും കൈ പിടിച്ചിങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുക, നീട്ടിയാണ് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. ബട്ട് what happened? At the same moment, what happened? A gigantic wave, a very big wave, Tiramala. Wave, what happened? Wave lifted the raft and from the top of the huge crest, I could see the mast of the small ship heading away from me. So, in that moment there was a gigantic wave, and that gigantic wave, the raft was lifted. Raft മേലേക്ക് പൊങ്ങി, വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ മുകളിലെ റാഫ്റ്റ് നിൽക്കുള്ളൂ. Raft lifted from the top of the huge crest. I could see the mast. I could see the mast of the small ship heading away from me. So from on the crest, so I can see that means the അത്രക്ക് ഉയരത്തിൽ തന്നെ പൊന്തി. So I can see the mast പറഞ്ഞാൽ കുട്ടിമരം, അത് ഈ കപ്പലിൻ്റെ ഒരു പോർഷനാണ്. I could see that from the heading away from me. When I came down again, so from a huge wave lifted me up, then I came down. And when I came down, Carabello had vanished with Castillo hanging on to his neck. So after that wave has came down, so automatically the raft also came down. What happened? There was Carabello was almost near. Carabello and Castillo was almost near. But what happened? When after the wave, തിരമാല ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നാണ് പോവുമല്ലോ, പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ that raft came down. So when I looked, they were not there. Both of them were vanished, disappeared. Castillo hanging on his neck was disappeared. Both of them. മറ്റവൻ്റെ കഴുത്ത് തൂങ്ങി കിടക്കുന്ന കാസ്റ്റിലോ അടക്കം they were not there. Alone, 2 meters away, Renshaw was still swimming calmly towards the raft. So 2 of them disappeared. Now on the other side, alone, Renshaw was still swimming calmly towards the raft. So Renshaw was there. So at first he decided to save both of them, but he cannot save them. What happened? They were almost near the raft, and a huge wave came. A huge wave lifted the raft up high, and after the wave has gone, this raft came down. At that time, both of them were disappeared. So on the other side, who was there? Alone, 2 meters away, only 2 meters away, Renshaw was still swimming calmly towards it. So Renshaw was coming. So let us try to save him now. I don't know why I did this absurd thing. Knowing I couldn't move forward, I put the oar, the water, as though trying to prevent the raft from moving. I don't know why I did this absurd thing. What absurd thing? What is the absurd thing? I don't know what is this absurd. ഈ ഒരു വിഡിത്തം ഞാൻ എന്തിനു ചെയ്തു? I don't know. എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. What was that? Knowing I couldn't move forward, I put the oar in the water as though trying to prevent the raft from moving. I tried to put an oar എന്നൊക്കെ പറയാം. എന്തായാലും പറയാം, കപ്പൽ വെള്ളത്തിന് ഒരു ചങ്ങാടമൊക്കെ പോകാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നങ്കൂരമിടുക, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പുട്ടിങ് ആൻ ഓർ. അതിനു വേണ്ടി ഐ പുട്ട് ദ ഓർ, തുഴ വെള്ളത്തിലിട്ടിട്ട് ആ ഓർ ഇട്ടിട്ട് ഇൻ ദ വാട്ടർ ആസ് ദോ ട്രൈങ് ടു പ്രിവെൻറ്റ് ദ റാഫ്റ്റ് ഫ്രം മൂവിങ്, ട്രൈങ് ടു ആങ്കർ ഇൻ ദ പ്ലേസ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻ അബ്സേർഡ് തിങ്. ഇമാതിരി വലാക്കിൻ്റെ തിരമാല വരുമ്പോൾ ചെറിയൊരു ചങ്ങാടാണ് ഇയാൾ നങ്കൂരമിട്ട് നിർത്താൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എൻ അബ്സേർഡ് തിങ്. ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ. റെൻഷിഫോ എക്സോസ്റ്റഡ്. Renshifu was exhausted. Nindi, he was tired, lost, paused a moment, then raised his arm as he had when he held his headphones aloft. Do you remember last class that I told you? He lifted his hand to headphone. എന്നതുപോലെ he lifted his arms as he had when he held his headphone aloft and shouted again, "Faster, row over here, faster, row over here." He cried or he told, "Come, row over here." ഇങ്ങോട്ട് തൊഴു, ഇങ്ങോട്ട് തൊഴു. Then the wind was blowing from his direction. The wind was blowing from his direction. I yelled that I couldn't row against the wind. He told, I can't, because the wind is very fast. I can't direct. കാറ്റ് അവിടെ നിന്നിട്ടാണ്. So I can't row against the wind. That he should make another try. You may please try once again. But I felt he hadn't heard me. But what I told him, he could not hear. He could not hear. The crates of cargo had disappeared and life raft danced from side to side. The crates means വീഞ്ഞപ്പെട്ടികൾ. നമ്മുടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന the first class I told you that വീഞ്ഞപ്പെട്ടികൾ. The cargo had disappeared. Now I cannot see anything. And because of the waves, some of the waves washed it away, and cargo had disappeared, and the life raft danced from side to side. Life raft ingane angotu ingotu danced, battered by the waves. Why? Because of the waves. Battered means chanjadi kondirikka allengil ingane elagi kondirikka, moving as the moving waves. In an instant I was 5 meters away from Renshifu and had lost sight of him. In an instant, the next second, next minute, what happened? 5 meters away from Renshifu, he had lost sight of him. He cannot see him. That was what happened. He lost sight of him. But he appeared in another spot, still not panicking, decking underwater to prevent the waves from the sweeping him away. I stood up holding out the oar. But he appeared in another spot. I cannot see him, but he appeared in another part. Although he disappeared, but he appeared again in another spot, still not panicking, decking underwater, still not panic. He was not panicked, not feared. ഭീതിയൊന്നുമില്ലാതെ decking underwater. So when it is on the over the water, that waves will wash him away. അല്ലേ, തിരമാലിൻ്റെ മുകളിലാവുമ്പോഴാണ് അങ്ങനെ. അപ്പോൾ അടി കൂടെ ഊളിയിട്ടാൽ, ദറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡെക്കിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഊളിയിട്ട് പോകുന്നതിനാണ് ഡെക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അണ്ടർ വാട്ടർ ടു പ്രിവെൻറ്റ് ദ വേവ്സ് ഫ്രം സ്വീപ്പിംഗ് ഹിം എവേ. മുകളിലാണെങ്കിലോ സ്വീപ്പിംഗ് ഹെവേ, എന്നാൽ തുടച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകും. സോ ടു അവോയ്ഡ് ദാറ്റ് സ്വീപ്പിംഗ്, വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ഹി ഡു? ഡെക്കിംഗ് അണ്ടർ ദ വാട്ടർ. ഐ സ്റ്റുഡ് അപ്പ് ഹോൾഡിംഗ്. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ഐ ഡു? അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ചെറുതായിട്ടൊന്ന് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ ഐ സ്റ്റുഡ് അപ്പ് വിത്ത് ആൻ ഓർ. നേരത്തെ കാസ്റ്റലോനെയും ബെറിയും രക്ഷിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ച പോലെ ഐ സ്റ്റുഡ് അപ്പ് ഹോൾഡിംഗ് ഔട്ട് ആൻ ഓർ, ഹോപ്പിംഗ് റെൻഷിഫോ കുഡ് ഗെറ്റ് ക്ലോസ് ഇനഫ് ടു റീച്ച് ഇറ്റ്. ബട്ട് വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻഡ്? ദെൻ ഐ കുഡ് see he was staring, losing heart. He called to me again, singing, "Fasto, fasto." So he was underwater trying to diving or decking, but I hope that I can save him. So I took an oar and hold it out that I hope that I could save him. But what happened in a moment, after 1 moment or 2 moments, then I could see he was tiring. Tiring means he was tired, getting tired. Tiring, and losing hurt. Losing hurt means തൻ്റെ ഒരു ലൂസ് ഹേർട്ട് മീൻസ് വാട്ട് ഇസ് എ ലൂസ് ഹേർട്ട്? ലൂസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നഷ്ടപ്പെടുക, ഹേർട്ട് ഹൃദയം നഷ്ടപ്പെടുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ ഒരു പ്രതീക്ഷയില്ലാതാകുക. ദറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഹി ഡിഡ് നോട്ട് ഗെറ്റ് എനി എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷൻ, ആകെ നിരാശനാവുക. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് ലൂസ് ഹേർട്ട്. ഹി കോൾഡ് ടു മീ അഗെയിൻ സിങ്കിങ്, താഴോട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ട് എന്നെ വിളിച്ചു, ഫാസ്റ്റോ ഫാസ്റ്റോ. സോ ഹി ആൾസോ സാങ്ക് ഇൻ ദ വാട്ടർ. I tried to row, but it was hopeless at the first time. I made a last try so that Renshaw could reach the oar, but he raised a hand which a few minutes earlier had been trying to keep the headphones from singing, sank forever less than 2 meters from the oar. So what happened? I tried to row near the Renshaw, but what happened? I made a last try, so that I made a last attempt to save Renshaw. I could reach Renshaw, but he realized, but he couldn't. But the raised hand, few minutes earlier, had been trying to keep the headphones from the singing, sank forever. നേരത്തെ കൈ പൊന്തിച്ച് പിടിച്ചതുപോലെ പിടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് he called me 2 meters away, fast എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. What happened? Then 2 meters from the oar, he sank forever. Earlier had been trying to, he sank forever. What is that? Trying to keep headphones from the sank forever. എന്നേക്കുമായി മുങ്ങിത്താണു. That means he also died. I don't know how long I stayed like that, balancing in the raft, the life raft. I don't remember. I don't know what happened. So all his friends had disappeared. Now only he is in the raft. I don't know how long I stayed like that, balancing in the life raft, holding out the oar. I don't remember a lot of time. I hold out the oar and stood there. I kept searching the water, hoping someone would surface soon. Someone would surface. Would surface. Someone would surface. Surface means surface no builder ennaartham. So what is the here surface? Someone would surface is verb. Arengilum pongi varum. Surface come over. That means arengilum oralu pratyaksham will appear. Hoping that someone would surface, but the sea was clear and the wind getting stronger blew against my shirt like the howl of a dog. Sea was calm. Not calm. The sea was clear, but not calm. The sea was clear, and the wind was more strong, and it was blew against, making it against my shirt like the hollow, making a particular sound. So howl of a dog. The cargo had disappeared. The mast growing more distinct proved that the small ship hadn't sunk. So when after some time I could see the mast of our ship, our small ship's mast is distinct, clear, became more clear. That proved that the small ship had not sank. മുഴുവൻ മുങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. I could understand. As I had first thought, I thought that it had sunk, but I could see the mast of the ship, so that means it had not sunk full. So ഒരു കപ്പലൊക്കെ മുങ്ങണമെങ്കിൽ അതിനും ദിവസങ്ങൾ എടുക്കുന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത്. So in the earlier I told you that in that case, what ടൈറ്റാനിക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ദിവസം 24 മണിക്കൂർ തികയുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് തന്നെ മുങ്ങിപ്പോയി എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. നടുവൊടിഞ്ഞതാണ് സംഭവം. സോ ആക്ച്വലി ഇവൻ ഒരു സാധാരണഗതിയിൽ നോർമൽ ഷിപ്പറൊക്കെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ചെറിയ പിള്ളിന് അപ്പൊ അതിലിങ്ങനെ 1ാം നില 2ാം നില 3ാം നിലയ്ക്ക് വെള്ളം കയറി ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ടേക്ക് ടൈം വിത്തിൻ 2 or 3 days. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്താൻ ഇഷ്ടംപോലെ ടൈം കിട്ടും. But in the case of Titanic, they didn't get enough time. Before completing 24 hours, this Titanic has sank fully. That was what happened in that case. Here the ship, it was a small ship, so what happened? So it did not sank fully. The cargo had disappeared and I could see that mast. So I thought that the ship had sunk. But I could understand that when I see the mast of the ship, I could understand that it had not sunk full. Okay. I felt calm. I thought that one of my mates had managed to reach the other life raft. I felt calm. I felt calm. I thought that one of my mates had managed to reach the other life raft. There were കൂടുതൽ life raft ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. 1 or 2 or 3 life rafts will be there. So I hoped that some of my friends may have reached some other life crafts. I hope that. Okay, let us stop for this day and we will continue the next day. Okay, there are some questions are there. We will discuss in the next class before we start. Okay, let us stop now. Thank you. Have a nice day.